Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you two ways on how you can hard reset an Android phone. So if you want to hard reset using buttons, it's called recovery mode. So what you have to do is just turn off your Android phone completely. So I'm recording this video right now and I can't completely turn it off, but you just have to uh, press and hold the power button and sometimes volume button depending on the brand, and when it's turning on, and you gotta release it when you see the logo or recovery mode option. Use the volume button to scroll up and select wipe data factory reset, and then just choose the using of the power button and then confirm yes, and then after it finishes your system will be rebooted. So this method is basically just used on your volume devices. Volume up means going up, volume down means down, and then power button means confirmation. And then you just gotta find the option of wipe data / factory reset, and it will factory reset your phone. Now the other method is very simple. It can directly happen on your phone. What you have to do, you just need to go to settings, and after settings you just need to find system or general management. So it depending on your Android device, you just need to find system or general management, and inside general management you'll see the option of reset right over here. Just simply tap reset and then you'll see the option of reset all factor data reset. So what this will do, it will erase all of your data. And there are a few important things that you need to know. This will delete everything: your photos, app, contacts. Your phone will go back as in brand new condition. So if your phone has a Google account, it may ask for reset. It is called factory reset protection. So yeah, so I'm giving you some pro tips for this. Always backup data before resetting. Charge your phone at least 50%, and some different brands, they use different combos. Like for Samsung, if you want to do the power off reset, you just need to press power plus volume up, and if you got a Xiaomi phone, just press on power plus volume up, and if you got Realme or Oppo phone, just simply press on power up and volume down. And yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.